How would you like to be able to create pro-level short videos, edit and publish them to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels in the next 2 minutes? Better yet, imagine if minutes from now you could have your own video maker that enables you to create the traffic-pulling videos you've always wanted, but without the video creation needed, by using other people's videos. What if this software also came with commercial license so you can sell videos to clients? You've probably seen a lot of video makers and editors, but they're ill-suited for today's world. You see, all video traffic is now going into short videos. That's TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. They're pulling in 5 trillion views a month. Only problem? All existing video makers are not focused on creating short videos, so you're stuck with paying hundreds to outsource, or trying to record and edit the videos yourself, which frankly is all impossible for newbies. This has led to only gurus and big companies being able to compete in the $33 billion video marketing industry, while regular folks like us are left out. Until today, introducing the first ever AI-based video maker that's going to pump out short videos like crazy and auto-publish them to the world's biggest platforms. I'm talking TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, creating and publishing videos there in the time it takes to snap your fingers, easy for anyone to use. ProfitShortz is the ultimate video creator and publisher. It's fully in the cloud, simple to use, and it lets you do everything you could dream of. Create short videos with one click in any niche for any keyword. Use other people's videos, so there's no video creation or editing required. You can simply clone, cut, and publish other people's successful campaigns. Add your affiliate link. Instantly publish to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Use our algorithm hacking to get in front of millions of people for virtually unlimited free traffic. Leverage the tools these platforms give you in their fight against each other. Here's what ProfitShortz is not. No complex software. No video creation required. No video editing required. No learning curve. No recurring fees. Creating a video has never been easier. Step 1. Log in. Step 2. Insert your keyword and let ProfitShortz auto-curate, clone, cut, and publish your short video. Step 3. One-click send sit to TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. It only takes one click to publish. Yes, that easy. The best part? Commercial license is included right inside ProfitShortz, meaning you can use it for yourself and have a thriving passive business creating videos for others, letting the software do the work for you. There are a few moments in our lives where we're faced with a huge opportunity that can truly change who we are. This is one of those moments. Plain and simple. ProfitShortz gives you a direct line to the $33 billion video marketing industry and to reach millions of people at the push of a button. This is the new era of video marketing, and this is your chance to be one of the first people to take advantage of it. It's truly an unprecedented opportunity at an unprecedented price, so don't let it slip away. Hurry right now and click the buy button below to get access to ProfitShortz during the early bird pricing and get this brand new video platform. We're excited to step into this new era of video marketing together. Welcome to ProfitShortz.
Creating a video worthy of shorts with ProfitShortz is as easy as going on YouTube, finding a video you like. We found this one, it's just 1 minute and 30 seconds, it's perfect for us. We're going to copy the link here, and then we're just going to paste it right here. Click import, and done. We can see the video on the left side here, and if we click it, we can now look at it.
Welcome to yet another Adult Monday. My goal here is to go straight to the point without wasting your time every single.
Now that we have the video uploaded here, we'll have to place it in clipboard, select it, and now we can start playing around with it. The first thing I'd like to do is cut out this guy's intro. So let's see how long it is.
Welcome to yet another Adult Monday. Are you ready? You didn't watch them? No. There are many websites.
Bam, so it's at 23 seconds in, and now we just have to cut it to make sure that all of this intro here is gone.
where you can upload your illustration.
Perfect. So now we have the actual content in the video. Let's go at the end and make sure he doesn't have any outro that we have to delete as well.
Already watched tutorials. Of all time. And the 12.
Great. So we can see that the outro begins somewhere around here. So we'll just drag this here and cut. So now we have 48 seconds of pure content, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts. We can also go through the video and add different edits so we can make it unique. For example, looking at this graphic here, we can draw something on top of it. So if we want to, let's just go with the brush size 9. We'll go with the blue to match the blue in the scales. Then we can start drawing here. So for example, we can make something like a line so people can see how big this graphic is, or we can underline something here to make it stand out. So let's put it from second 0 all the way to 4. Now if we click start,
where you can upload your illustrations and simply make
we see it's going to last for exactly 4 seconds, and it will change exactly when he changes the page as well, which is perfect. But I don't like this line here. What we can do is we can undo anything that we do in ProfitShortz. So we can undo it, and then the lines will be gone. So now we can only do the arrow here to point at the bigger graphs throughout these 4 seconds, and we'll apply again.
Where you can upload your illustrations and simply make money as the time passes by. One of them is
now it's perfect. Next, if we want to add subtitles, we can do that. We can write a couple of subtitles in a .txt file and add it here. We can add text, something like check it out now. Select text size, we'll go with something fair, we'll go with 65. Top center. Make it stand out. Let's make some of blue font with Futura, and then add text. Perfect, it fits right in. If we go through the video, we can now see this text throughout the video. It doesn't bother our image, and it's perfect to grab your user's attention. Next, we have a couple of more special features. We have watermark. If you want to add custom watermarks to your videos, we can cut fast as we've just seen to shorten videos exactly how we want them. We can add filters, and I'll just add one so you can see what it's all about. We'll add something drastic. We'll go for color negative. You can see that it entirely changes everything to make it color negative. But of course we don't want the video to look like this, so we'll just go with undo and everything will be back to normal. Let's say we want to crop into a specific of this video. For example, we want to crop into this week here. That only lasts for a couple of seconds. We're just going to click on crop, and it crops into this week exactly like we asked it to. Let's undo. After we're happy with the video, all that's left is to create video. Welcome to ProfitShortz. We can choose the size. We want it to be full HD. Aspect ratio, the format, and the quality. We'll go with high. Background audio file, you can add any music or anything else to capture your user's attention from right here. And then we'll click create. And now, if we go over in home, perfect, and it's right here. And now we can click on preview and we can see everything that we've added is right here.
Where you can upload your illustrations and simply make money as the time passes by. One of them is ProfitShortz, which allows you to upload your...
So the video is now ready to upload to Vimeo or to YouTube Shorts directly from the ProfitShortz dashboard. If you want to create your own video, your own unique content, you can do that directly in ProfitShortz as well, by screen recording or recording through your camera. ProfitShortz is for beginner streamers as well as professionals. So you can select whether to stream your full screen, you can select different resolutions, different frame rates, and different bit rates. You can record your camera as well if you want to shoot a quick video for something and then edit it. It's all integrated in ProfitShortz. As well as 24/7 support agents standing by to help you at all times, and a fully dedicated knowledge base that will allow you to use ProfitShortz at its maximum capacity. Check ProfitShortz out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.